with the color Giphy from Maybelline. It's the vinyl lipstick. Circle this with chicory or whatever from MAC. Definitely with a liner, I think it looks way better. You have to fill in the side edges a little to change up the color of any light lipstick. So if you feel like the lipstick looks way too light, take like a darker shade. I really like chicory and I like Whirl, and a bunch of the ones from MAC are amazing for this, and you literally just carve it out on the top, and I tend to kind of just do it on the bottom to change up the color of any light lipsticks. And of course you can do it all the way if you want to, and then just kind of fill it in and just blend it out. And I feel like that kind of does the trick for that light lipstick and makes it wearable for your skin tone or my skin tone. So that's something that I do, and I would definitely wear this lipstick with this one, Chicory. I think this is such a beautiful combo. You can definitely put a gloss on it. I personally would just rock it as is. But until next time, I will see you then.